kind of just a price potential here for Ripple. One analyst drawing comparison to a $13 run. If you look at the charts,
and I could see the Ripple case, maybe ultimately, if it goes all the way up, to have the Supreme Court really re-examine that for, its coherence in the current environment. And
as you all work in the industry, the market thinks that this is a really good time for crypto in particular, for digital assets, for financial innovation.
I think the risk is that we all, that we don't stay grounded in what the value of it is. We need to stay grounded to the opportunities that this technology presents, that the digital assets generally present.
And we've seen this big run. Could we be right here on the edge of this and could be $13 down in the book market? I don't know. I think a lot of people are still questioning whether or not XRP can run to that level.
But what does Luis Yamada say? The bigger the base, the higher in space.
Entire crew is go. Enjoy the ride, pal.
If you got a baggie, welcome to the party. Welcome back to some more Moon o'clock news. No breakfast, no coffee, just straight extra. Bullishness. We're gonna check out RLUSD. Is it launched? Is it not launched? Shout out to the latest. So we got Chip in the building. What's up, Chip? I see you. Go ahead, throw on those moon suits, throw on those pilot shades, buckle up, cause the future's extra. Bullish. Let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. We got the total global cryptocurrency market cap today at 3.75 trillion, up about 1.5 in the past 24. We got XRP in that number, top three, right around 241, up about 1.7% in the past 24. Stellar XLM, right around 50 cents, 2 for $1. We got BTC still trying to break that 100K mark. ETH right around 38 hundo. We got Flare Networks right around 3 cents. XDC right around 7 cents. Axelar, $1.10. Quick announcement before we get started. Check out the merch bar down below. We still got some CDs and some baggies left for you guys. If you guys want to pick one up, we got about 20 to 30 left. Link in the description. Also use code HODLDAYS for 15% off. Get your XRP XLM baggie with the free CD. Links down below. Happy HODL days. Cointelegraph popping off here. Insights Ripple RLUSD stablecoin launches today. Here's everything you need to know about its features, use cases, roles alongside XRP. Ripple says despite the speculation, RLUSD is not launching today. We're lockstep with NIDFS on the final approval and we'll share updates as soon as possible. We are fully committed to launching under the supervision of the NYDFS and upholding the highest regulatory standards. Stay tuned for updates. They're probably going to drop that for the next pump to new all-time highs, XRP. Also got XP Market with the official RLUSD token page here, RLUSD coming soon. We also got one over at X Magnetic as well, RLUSD Trustline, RLUSD coming soon. We got Cointelegraph. U.S. Congress is hosting a hearing on the future of finance. Stellar and Anchorage Digital CEOs will discuss blockchain roles and shaping finance. Stellar, XLM. We also got breaking news. Trump nominates the crypto-friendly Paul Atkins to lead the SEC. It's a return to the agency for Atkins, who served as a commissioner under George W. Bush. Bye-bye, Gary Gensler in the SEC case. Stu Alderati says SEC will not only bring common sense back to the agency, but true investor protection as well. Much, much higher. Bragg Arlenhouse chimes in and says outstanding choice. Paul Atkins at the helm of the SEC will bring common sense back to the agency along with Hester Pearson and Mark Ueda. It's time to swiftly and definitively end the prohibition era on crypto, restoring freedom of choice, economic growth, innovation, and the internet of value running on XRP, the Ripple net. It's liquid wet. Speaking of Paul Atkins, DAI new SEC chairman on the SEC versus Ripple case February 22nd, 2023.
People are running into, a brick wall at the SEC in a lot of this area. So that has not changed much. There's the lawsuit against Ripple, over, whether or not XRP, the Ripple coin, is a security or not. We'll see how that goes. We may well have a decision on that at the lowest court, the district court, this year. And I'm sure whichever way that comes out, there will be appeals, and it could go all the way up to the Supreme Court. There's one, maybe a 60, 70-year-old decision called Howie that the Supreme Court issued that kind of sets out what's an investment contract and gives, the criteria by which, a court could judge that. That's quite old. It's arguable whether or not it's still current. And I could see the Ripple case maybe ultimately, if it goes all the way up, to have the Supreme Court really re-examine that for, its coherence in the current environment and whether it needs to be tweaked. So a lot of things riding on that. So that's like a really interesting thing to follow in this space.
So it begins, the flippening. I hope you had those bags packed, locked and loaded. Tom Emmer chimes in. Paul Atkins has an extensive public and private sector experience and understands that regulation by enforcement is a losing strategy that has crippled American innovation. I look forward to working with him and the real Donald Trump as we usher in a new era of American innovation. A new day is here. We're also going to be jumping into the catalyst, into the chart. What's going to pump XRP much, much higher to infinity and beyond. Subject views, XLM stellar. Now that we have a pro crypto SEC with Paul Atkins, hopefully there will be much more opportunities and fewer risks in crypto.
As you all work in the industry, the market thinks that this is a really good time for crypto in particular, for digital assets, for financial innovation. Ms. Dixon, what is the biggest opportunity and what's the biggest risk as we go into the next Congress?
Thank you so much for the question. It's very nice to see you. The biggest opportunity is, which I want to start with, is the fact that we can actually see this technology grow. We can see this technology flourish. We have traditional financial infrastructure that's wanted to come into tokenization, that's wanted to come into digital assets, and they've been hamstrung a bit because of the regulatory environment. We have a stablecoin bill that's been proposed here. Hopefully we can get that pushed through. We can get market structure through. I think it just opens the floodgates of innovation with respect to traditional financial infrastructure and even those companies that aren't in the finance sector that want to leverage this technology. I think the risk is that we all, that we don't stay grounded in what the value of it is. We need to stay grounded to the opportunities that this technology presents, that the digital assets generally present. And we need to stay focused on the outcomes that we want to see instead of craziness in the market.
Value will flow from speculative assets into utility assets like XLM, XRP. The best is still yet to come. We got breaking Cointelegraph update in Korea. XRP trading volume on Upbit surpasses the total trading volume of the entire KOSPI market. So it begins. Michael Arrington Ripple's XRP saw trading volume was 7.5 billion and 6.3 billion over the past 2 days, equating to 50% of the total trading volume of the Korean stock market, typically around 14 billion. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's dominance has fallen to 54.3%, its lowest level since April of 2024. The flippening. What's happening with XRP? Why are portfolios melting? The flippening. So it begins. We got XRP drops. Paul Barron on the potential XRP price target of $13 due to similarity of Tesla. Years of suppression. Bigger the base, the higher in space.
Kind of just a price potential here for Ripple. One analyst drawing comparison to a $13 run. If you look at the charts and also the comparison between kind of a token that has been suppressed, much like what happened with Tesla in certain areas around some of these people countering what Tesla was doing. But if you look at what happened with Tesla, right there, the explosion, SEC versus Tesla lawsuit ends, bam. Right here, SEC lawsuit ends, and we've seen this big run. Could we be right here on the edge of this and could be $13 down in the book market? I don't know. I think a lot of people are still questioning whether or not XRP can run to that level. Still, though, I think it's within range. $3, I think, is within sight right now.
We got new all-time highs in sights for XRP, and none of the catalysts have even hit yet. And there's that 13, XRP to infinity and beyond. And in case you missed it, we got CoinDesk vote/account activation fees on the XRP ledger. The network that uses XRP by 90% on Tuesday amid a multi-week price rally for major token. We got XRP reserve wallets dropped from 10 XRP to 1 XRP. IOU token reserves from 2 XRP to 0.2 XRP. So it begins. Axelar network XRP holders will soon unlock. Use Axelar Bridge XRP as gas for the XRP ledger EVM transactions. Access 5 years of DeFi innovation on the EVM platforms to earn yield. Axelar is set to deliver seamless interoperability for Ripple ecosystem, empowering users like never before. Utility on utility. Catalyst on catalyst. The best is still yet to come. We got one from Ariel. What's happening with XRP? Why are portfolios melting? Exchanges crashing, the flipping. Margex is crashing with the high demand for XRP. What a time to be alive. On December 4th, 2024, we have received a notice from our liquidity providers, counterparties, that due to extreme market volatility and surging demand for XRP, the auto-deliveraging mechanism for the XRP USD trading pair did not function as intended. XRPs breaking the markets. Smoke Dog says breaking crypto exchanges are crashing because of high XRP demand. This is not a drill. They're coming in to pump our bags up. Pump our bags up. Much, much higher. Chris Dangerfield, if you're fed up with receiving dust transactions on your account, check this out. Anyone want this feature? We got XLS 76D minimum incoming amounts. Bye-bye, scammers. Don't forget DCENT Wallet Mega Bullrun Kickoff, 44% off cold wallets plus 5+ coin airdrop. FOMO's real, get it now. 44% off your biometric wallets, $99 for the single pack, $179 for the double pack, plus airdrop. Links in the description. Step 1, purchase your DCENT wallet. Step 2, January 6th to the 12th, submit your airdrop application. Step 3, check your wallet. DCENT wallets, not your keys, not your crypto. We got Mustache, altcoins. The altcoin season index has finally broken through the years of consolidation. Alt season is real. We got Dark Defender. XRP continued our Fibonacci levels, and this correction is expected. The side moves can last a little bit more. Supports 227, 213, targets 292, 399. XRP will continue the momentum. And taking a look at XRP versus BTC as BTC dominance continues to fall. The XRP Phoenix continues to rise. Taking a look at USDT dominance, we're still dropping here as the USDT dominance drops. Crypto, XRP, XLM pumps much higher. Maybe looking for some potential profit taking levels if we were to hit these levels down here. Be on the lookout for the USDT dominance to drop around 50%. As we did in the previous cycles, in the 2020 halving cycle, we had a 62% correction, 55% correction. Currently, we're right around 35-40% correction for the USDT dominance. And take a look at the XRP chart. What a beautiful sight to see as the XRP momentum continues, and none of our multipliers, none of our catalysts, none of our flip switches have even hit yet. We still got the stablecoin dropping, 60 minutes coming, regulations dropping, SEC cases cooked, Ripple IPO, USDT crash, potential audit, and value switched over to RLUSD. Speculation to utility and spec coin value flowing into utility assets like XLM and XRP. We got the pro-crypto SEC administration coming. Pro-crypto American president. 1,700 plus NDAs set to be launched. XRP has legal clarity. XRP built for utility. Built for banks. Built for institutions. Built for all the money. All the value. The longer the base, the higher in space. The longer they take, the higher we climb. On that XRP rich list, and those who have eyes to see, who have been loading up on the greatest opportunity of multiple lifetimes. Where will those bags be when that regulation jar of molasses finally breaks open? And XRP's true price is finally revealed. Big bags. Later, glitches. It's a bull run. Get your bags up in your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. It's a bull run. Get your bags up in your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. All them